Sorry about that. I guess I actually turned that off. Yeah, and I'm going to try this one too. Um, Very cute. Very nice of them to do that. The top does come away from the bottom, it looks like, so, but that's okay. That's all going to get used, and my water's not going to know the difference, is it? So I wanted to give a shout out also to Sheba Secrets and let them know that I thoroughly love my bath bombs, and I'm giving a lot of them away to my girls for their birthdays coming up. I got one at very soon on the 27th, and my daughter's is in March. So, yeah, so that I've got enough for their birthdays, and I think that they're going to really enjoy this. So check out their website. And I don't know if there's a listing on here for their website, but she does a lot of YouTube videos, so check her out and watch for sales because yeah, they're wonderful, and she does a fabulous job with her products. So I wanted to give a shout out to Sheba Secrets, and that's all I have. Um, to show for right now. So I'll get off here and try to get these posted. And thanks for watching. Bye bye.